We're so happy to have our dance uniform finally, and this is kind of an inauguration for our 10th year. So it has got a blouse, chunni, side fan, and the main skirt. So you need to have just 2 pins, a black leggings. Go ahead with it. So get started with the blouse. Blouse is a front button. Get this one on. Front button. There's extra stitches in case it's tight. I'm wearing this t-shirt. Okay. So then we have our 2 pins ready. Take the pallu. Then the pallu. So you have a line connecting there. So that should be behind your shoulder. Behind your shoulder. Turn around. Try and learn and put the pin by yourself. If not, try with the help of your parents for a few days and then you'll be good enough. Okay? Then the upper part of pallu along with your blouse, either you can put the pin on the top or here, wherever you feel you can reach. Then this thread goes around, keep the pallu out and tie the thread. Okay, then comes the skirt. It's a wraparound skirt, very easy to tie. So have the center fan in the center, the curved one to the left of the dancer. Okay, put this. The other part comes around. This vertical segment goes inside. Okay. Can you hold it? Okay. So now there are a lot of threads in it. So the left side or right side of the dancers near the feet, the thread along with the inner segment. So take it around and tie it to your left. Adjust your saree length accordingly. Stretch your saree down because it's cotton. Tie it up. Okay. Now get this segment, the pallu part, and get the curved segment around the dancer. So this comes to the front and this comes here. Okay. So you can tie one knot here, take it around, tie another knot. Keep the knot below on the top of the dress so it stays firm. And insert all the extra threads on the side. Okay. Then the last fan comes to the where the finishing of your pallu comes there. Go for a rotation. Bring it to the other side. Side. Insert all this. This particular thread you can insert it inside. Yeah. Try saying it, Aramandi.
Nice.
Aramandi. Samam. Train kanam right. Train kanam left. Aramandi. Swastikam right. Swastikam left. Aramandi. Kick. Kick and see. Yeah. And then rotate. That's the dress. Easy. So it's comfortable. Here we go.